videos, we learned about shapes, like circle, square, rectangle, and triangle. So we're going to use those shapes and make a mosaic. Do you know what a mosaic is? So a mosaic is a picture or a pattern made out of small colored pieces. Those material that you're going to use to make those small colored pieces could be tiles, glass, construction paper. But today I'm going to use this type of paper that is sticky. So one side's glittery and the other side, it has like this thing that if you peel off, it starts getting sticky like a sticker. So we're going to cut out pieces out of those, and then after, let's start making our mosaic. So you'll need a scissor and some paper. You're going to cut any shape you want, but I'm going to cut out a rectangle, because out of a big rectangle you could cut like square, triangles, rectangles, and many more. So I cut it out square, triangles, and one rectangle. So now I think I'm gonna try to make a small circle out of it. There, I made a circle. There, now it's a circle. And you'll need to cut out more pieces to fill up your whole paper. But I already cut it out some shapes, so that doesn't take me so long cutting out more shapes. So I'm gonna start making a sun. So I'm gonna put 2 squares at the bottom. I'm not gonna make the sun too big, because the sun's gonna be far away. Because when things are far away, they're smaller. So now I'm done the circle. Now I'm going to use my triangles. There, now I'm done my sun. So I'm going to make a tree out of squares again. So I'm going to make a small circle and small rectangles. I'm going to get a yellow rectangle and put it under. Then I'm gonna get some green circles to make some bushes beside the tree. Now I'm gonna use 4 colors of squares, blue, red, yellow, and green, to make a house. So I'm gonna put the green up there and want the yellow down, the red on the side, and then after the blue on the side too. Now I'm gonna use some triangles to make the roof. So to make the roof, you're gonna put your triangles, 1 up there, 2 at the bottom, and after 1 at the top of those 2 triangles, and you're gonna put 1 on top of that triangle. Now I'm done my house, so I'm gonna make clouds. I'm gonna use blue rectangles, or I think I'm gonna use 1 square and like 4 triangles. Oh no, I think I'm gonna use 1 square and 4 rectangles. Now I'm gonna make a pathway. So I'm gonna use small rectangles and squares to make the pathway. Now I'm almost done making my mosaic. I just need to make the sky out of silver. So I'm gonna place them all around triangles and squares. If you don't have enough pieces, you could always cut some more. I think I'll use 5 more. There, I'm done filling up my paper, and there, I'm done making my mosaic. So you can make something simple like this castle, or you can make something else. What did we learn today? We learned what a mosaic is. A mosaic is a picture or a pattern made out of colored pieces all stuck together. I hope you guys had fun making a mosaic. My name is Joy from This Is Pocket Learning. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye!